Order filled.
I skipped it too soon. Oh. I'm going to recap over the last video that I did about the NFP trade from last month, February 7th. So what we're trying to do here is we already have a system that works, right? So we've already got our trading system. We know it's kind of consistent. We know we're going to be making money. But what we want to do is get over the hurdle quickly of how to get your funded account. So how to get one of these really fast as soon as you can, you know? We're going to just get it out of the way. Don't need to take our time doing a regular trading system when we can just knock one of these out and then get actual trading with real money. So what we're going to do here is we're going to jump back into the market, recap. All right, so we're back into the chart from last month, February 7th. I just tried to match it up with my last video, so it was like 20 minutes past midnight, and 7:30. So I brought this up, and first questions I had is like, how do you know if it's going to go up or down? And the reality is you don't really know 100% if it's going up or down, but you can kind of guess. So my hunch was on this, since the market's kind of coming down and right before NFP hits, it's already low and it's at kind of the bottom of this area. So I'm thinking, you know what, it's probably going to bounce up off of this. That's my intuition, I guess. I don't know. You can go both ways. You can place your trades up here and down here, but what you want to do is you want it to first make its move, and then it's probably going to blow through it, because like I think it was like 80 ticks or something, more like it went way up here. So you're trying to catch like off this, you're just trying to get your 60. So how you get these lines where it's like 10 ticks each. All right, surprise, surprise. I was editing and I realized that you couldn't see these windows when they popped up on NinjaTrader. So what you do is you right click on numbers, go to properties, and then you do ticks and 10 right here. Ding ding. This is your right scale. So that's for the grid lines. You hit apply, okay. Then you right click on the chart, properties, if it doesn't already populate, but you go to lines, then you go to grid lines horizontal, and then you can change these colors to whatever you want. Thickness, solid dash, whatever you like. So now you know, okay, each one of these is 10 ticks. And for NQ, you need 62 ticks with 10 full contracts to make your 3,200 to pass your 50K Apex account. So let's zoom in here. Make it a bit bigger. Right, so you see it's kind of coming down. It's probably going to, I kind of see this like whenever the market opens, it tends to do either a push down, and then when the market opens, it's going to come back up. So if you're trying to just scalp a few 10 ticks or whatever out of it, that's a good strategy. Doesn't always work, but it works most of the time, I think. And so you're seeing this, it's coming up and then it's coming down back into this area. So you're going, okay, NFP is coming in 2 minutes. I don't know why, but whenever I recorded this before, you couldn't see any other windows except for the chart. So bear with me here. Stop.
Order submitted.
And then you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a few. And then you're going to do your sell limits.
Order submitted.
So this means that when the price comes up, it's going to place your buy order, 10 contracts. And then when it hits here, it's going to sell those 10 that you bought, right? So then you come over here. I'm not sure if it'll let me, but then you do the same thing. So you're going to come a few just down in this area below market, and you're going to do your sell stop. I'm not sure. Still.
Order submitted.
And then you're going to do your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a bit. And then you're going to buy.
Order submitted.
So then what happens is the market it's going to shoot whichever way. Doesn't really matter a whole too much, but it's going to shoot up, blast this, and then come back down, right? Because it's news. It's not usually going to hang up. And then so you just want it to be in the right direction. You don't want it to be like fumbling down here, get you locked in for your sell, and then skyrocket up, and then it's going to blow your account, right? So this is how you could set it up. You do your buy here above market, buy stop above market, and sell stop below market. And then you're going to do the opposite. You're going to buy against your sells. So you get your sells, they lock in, boom, boom, boom. And then you're going to close out by buying back your sells. Same thing up here. You're going to buy market up high, and then you're going to sell those that you bought to get out. Now, this NFP only happens once a month, usually like the first week of the month. There's a calendar. Is it Forex Factory? Good one to watch. You just come through here. NFP was this last Friday, so 7:30 is what time it is. So you go to your chart, make sure it's set to like New York time in your chart, and then you've got your 7:30. It tells you what's going to happen. You got employment changes here for Canadian dollars, and then you're looking at US dollars. So next month, 4th, I think. Yeah. So first Friday of the month, non-farm payroll will be April 4th. Right. So you got these in a bit, and then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a bit.
Order filled. Order canceled.
And there we go. You passed. So that's the example. NFPs. First Friday of the month. Yep. All right. So we're going to try to do. Yesterday was NFP. I didn't see it yesterday, but we're going to pretend we're going to do it live right now. 7:24.
Order submitted.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a bit. And by 10.
Order submitted.
Go here.
Order submitted.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a bit.
Order submitted.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bit. All right, and what are we at? 27.
Order filled.
I skipped it too soon. Oh shit. So I guess I did both. Went a little bit over, but that's that works. I guess I was skipping way too fast. My bad. Anyway, so that's I didn't want to catch these, but it worked. So 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Shot just past it. That's good. So it is risky. You're risking your eval account fee, whatever that is that you paid. All right, so right here we've got 5 days left. This is what's on sale for Apex. It's 80% off. The March 13th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern time is when it ends. 80% off, 1 day to pass, so you don't have to wait 7 days if you hit your target. So you hit your target 1 day, the next that evening you'll get an email saying congratulations, you passed. The reset. So say you did this trick and it failed, You just reset it, so you have half price reset fees. There's a 125 one time for a lifetime PA pass. So once you pass the eval, you pay this 125, and then you have your PA, which is a funded account. You have that for the rest of your life, the lifetime of the account. Um, then the eval. So if you do a 150, 250, 300, they're all priced the same at 297, and then you take the 80 off of that. So it's a really good deal. Use your code, my code, HHKIIYSR. That is going to get you this discount, and I hope it works for you. I load it up whenever they have sales. I load up, I get 20 accounts. So then you can just trade them all, and that way, if you make tiny little bits of money, so say you're scalping $50 off of the market, that's 50 times 20.